What's up guys, Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so in today's video, as you can see, we got the Reaper Skin from Fortnite. I'm going to be making a mascot logo out of that. It seems a lot of you guys enjoyed my last video with the other Fortnite skin, which I thought was super fire. I figured it was a concept I just had to work on and just create something for it, and I kind of felt the same way about this one. I also asked for your recommendations on which kind of skin or any potential concepts you guys would like to see me make a video on, or just like even a tutorial here on YouTube. So yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. But yeah, anyways, on to today's video. I'm starting off in Sketchbook Pro, and again, we're working on the Reaper concept, also known as John Wick, if you've ever seen the movie. Super dope film. A great action-based movie that was pretty dope. I enjoyed both of them. But yeah guys, we're starting off in Sketchbook Pro, and I'm using a Surface Pro tablet. Basically, that's kind of what I use. You don't really need a tablet or this program to do this. You just need you know, your hands, a pencil, and paper. But yeah guys, right now I'm going to show you guys some of the reference images I used. And then yeah, feel free to pause the screen if you guys wanted to check them out. But yeah, that's kind of where I got my inspiration, the base idea, and everything like that. This is again a Fortnite character, so it's not my concept per se. This is just my my outlook on it, like what I would do if I felt like making a logo out of it or something like that. So yeah, that's kind of what you guys are watching right now. So keep in mind, it's not up for sale, guys. It's not my concept. The copyrights and all that stuff belongs to, you know, Fortnite and Epic Games. Like, it's not my original concept. This is just my recreation of, you know, the concept, the character that they made. You know, thanks to their artists, which are so dope. They did a great job on the game and continue to release skins that are super fire. So yeah, shouts to them. For this, what I really wanted to do was kind of put my outlook on it. I wanted them to have the gun pointing up, kind of like a DVD box, like something you'd see on the front of a DVD. Or, you know, just like a movie trailer, like the opening shot or whatever. I can't really think of the name of it, but I guess you could say it as like a wallpaper or something. But yeah, I just really wanted a dope shot of him kind of like staring at the camera, so to speak, holding the gun up. I wanted it to look really dark and somewhat mysterious, and then have like this kind of like radiant light shining off one side of him. And that was going to be red. I was going to use for that, which you guys will see in a minute. But yeah, that was kind of my idea. I wanted it to look kind of like he was in a club. You know, he just like killed somebody, or he's about to shoot you, like, or something like that. He's just like thinking about it, like he just calmed everybody down. He pulled out the gun, you know it's about to go down. So that was kind of my idea. So I really hope you guys enjoy the concept and just what I did with it. And yeah, lastly, I wanted to mention, in my last video I talked about my logo course, which is still dropping this month. It's not released yet, so for those of you that are interested, be sure to check the first link in my description and sign up, so you'll be one of the first people to know when it is released. It's still set to release this month, very soon, but yeah, no specific date at this time. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the last one if you didn't. Also, be sure to leave a comment if you got any recommendations for future concepts or tutorial videos or things like that. I would love to respond to you guys and get some of your feedback on what you'd like to see on the channel. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let the song play. Details on that can also be seen in the description. And yeah guys, it's Derek here from DaseDesigns.com. Catch you all in the next one. Peace.